Good morning, children. Today let us make a figure sketch. I am going to draw a lady who is standing against a railing. Now, I will just draw roughly. This is for her head. She is bending on the railing. It is very easy. I am just first drawing it out roughly. Maybe her hands. This is her lower body portion. She is standing like that. One leg is folded and this is her second leg. Maybe this is the railing. Her hands are resting on the railing. Okay. It's a part of her dress. Okay. Now I have drawn a outline for the sketch. It is very easy. As you can see, this is the head. Now this goes her shoulder line and this is for the lower portion of her back. If you follow the steps, you can draw it very easily. Now going to do some more detailing. This is her head. Maybe she has got a kind of bun on her head. Okay. I'm just sketching it roughly. Okay. This is the railing. She is standing against. Fine. I am just drawing it roughly. Okay. Railing may have some design, maybe some ovals. I am drawing it freehand. I am drawing it just roughly. Maybe something like this. It should be like this and this should be the next design. And so on. Now I want a moon here in the sky. It's a night sky. You can draw a full moon freehand, or you can use anything like I am using this for a circle. I want a good full moon. Okay, now we are going to do the shading work. This is our pencil sketch, a rough sketch. Now we will go for the shading. Okay, for shading we are going to need some graphite dust, like here I have. This is graphite dust. How to collect it? It is very easy. It is just, this is your pencil and you have to scratch it like this, and you are going to get the dust. Okay, that is what graphite dust is. I have already collected it here, and now I am going to apply the dust with my fingers. It was a rough sketch. There are some lines I don't need. I am going to remove them using an eraser. Not much, just okay. Now it is ready for shading. I am going to take some on my fingertips. Okay, like this. And now I am going to apply it on the, just see. Now when shading, I have taken care that she is facing the moon, so these areas, they are light. Okay, and this is, I have kept them dark. Similarly in the legs. This is only the first tone, then we will go for the second tone. Now let us do the same in the railings. Just use your finger to do it. Decoratives on the railing. Like this, we have to do it on the decorative designs. Just roughly. You don't need to be very perfect with it. Okay, now so our first tone is done, and now we are going to add more detailing with a pencil. It is just an ordinary pencil, HP pencil. It may be very difficult to find shading pencils at this time of lockdown, so you can do it with an ordinary pencil, HP pencil. This should be darker. This bun on her head. This portion is darker and I have leave it in a lighter shade. Just follow these simple steps and you can make a nice sketch. You see, this should be darker because the moonlight is cannot reach here. Similarly in this hand. This is done. Now the lower body. I'm just doing a rough shading. I am just varying the pressure of my hand, the pressure of the pencil. When I press it hard, it will be dark, and when the pressure is light, it will go very light. If you have shading pencils, if you know like 2B, 3B, 4B, 6B, you know about them, it is very good, you can use them. Otherwise, you can do it just with an ordinary pencil. Okay, this much is done. Now, it will be darker and it is darker here, then it gradually becomes lighter, then again darker. Just change the pressure of your hand, of your fingers on the pencil, and you can do it. Similarly, this portion, it should be darker here. Make these portions darker. My foot is visible. This is a trouser. There should be some shadow here. I'm in a darker. This is another leg that is not visible. Okay, this much is done. Now we will start with the railing. For the railing, you don't need to go for much detailing. Just a little bit of dark and light will do it. Similarly, we will do it all the railings. I have just roughly shaded the railings. Now I am going to take more this dust and apply them on the railing. Make them more dark. I will do the same with all the decorations. Okay, it is done. As you see it, Now I am going for more detailings of the railing. Just a little darker shade I have to add. This portion should be very dark, and so we'll go all till here. I have applied darker shade here. Now these things. Similarly, we will do with all of them. Okay. Now we have to do some little work on this portion. Okay, it is done. Now we have to add more darker shade on this portion, the bottom. You see, I have done this portion. It goes from darker to lighter shade. Okay. Okay, now we are going to do some shading using an eraser. Now watch it. You see, just like this. Now we have to do the shadows now. Okay, now we're going to do the shadows with the graphite dust. Now watch it. Similarly for the railings. We will just move like this with all the railing. Now here are the shadows. Little triangles the light is coming from. Okay. Now the lady is standing against a railing. . Now we have to do the sky. Okay, now for the sky I am going to use Persian blue. We have to fill all this area with this color and properly. As you can see, I am using oil pastel, Persian blue oil pastel for the coloring. You can use any color you have at home. Maybe crayons, maybe pencil colors, or if you have watercolors you can use. Okay, just have roughly colored the sky. Now we have to cover these portions as well. Okay. So the sky is done roughly with Persian blue color. Okay, now I am going to blend this Persian blue color with white. Now the white have been applied on blue. Now simply use your fingers to blend it. Smudge it and make it a smooth texture. Similarly, blend it here as well. With round movement of your fingers. Okay, now what I am going to do is I am smudging the edges of the moon and making it a kind of smooth. Okay, take care that its shape is not spoiled. Okay, now it is almost done. If you can give some more detailing, like if you feel so, just make the edges little smoother. Okay. Okay, I am just making this portions little darker. Okay, now it is all done.